Okay, good evening, folks. Just moving on to this euro pound now. Last week saw it kind of weakening a great deal, which I wasn't too disappointed to see, to be honest, because I was obviously looking to go long here still. So the further we went down and still held this lower bat support level, you know, it was quite good really for the market to go that bit lower. I mean, this is only going to give us a good chance to go long, and it looks like we've got that chance now, following the removal of the final bearish thrusts high to the close, which was 89.71. So yeah, this is quite a it's a really good looking setup, this one. So anywhere around that 89.71, even below, is where I'm going to be starting to look to go long here. So quite a good setup because overall bullish overall. So the removal of this thrust bar with sort of such conviction as well. I think actually when I finished up in the room on Friday, we were actually just struggling to get above it, and when I left, obviously we pushed right on through it. So it's a really good sign, and 89.71 would be a great level to go long to eventually look for the parity level. So yeah, setting up really good. I'd definitely be quite happy to go long there. I mean, on the weekly, we're kind of hanging around it. Kind of looks like this 90.26 level. It's not really important to the market in any way, really. We've squeezed right through it a few times now. We've closed above it. We might close above it, below it at the end of this week here, but it's we're not going to produce a bearish thrust bar anyway, unless we get a big gap at the open. Which, I mean, it is possible, but anyway, currently it doesn't really look like we're going to make a bearish thrust. And I mean, the big question is we've got a week and a half left to trade. Can we remove this 90.26 level to the close on the monthly basis? If we can, then I would say this market's ready to kick on and start a bull leg up towards parity. So I just hope that we do get to go long on the retest of this level, um, into tomorrow. So I just wanted to kind of actually point out to do with the thrust trading a bit more. Obviously I'm looking to go long here. It's a right shame because I wasn't really following it here, but I mean you can see here that we've had like a perfect thrust entry here, and it also happened to be the thrust bar on the 4 hour. So it was a TDF buy setup and it was a thrust retest level, the final bearish thrust retest. So that's just a great signal there, which obviously I missed, but it's good to look at that anyway. But hopefully we'll still get a chance to get in on this 89.71 level tomorrow, or at least sometime this week anyway. Um, yeah, so that's going to be the plan here. Okay, cheers.